The Tecno Pova 8 Pro 5G is a powerhouse smartphone that delivers an exceptional blend of performance, endurance, and visual brilliance at a competitive price point. At its core is the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Ultra processor, which ensures fast and efficient performance for everything from intensive gaming to seamless multitasking and streaming. This performance is backed by a massive 9,000 mAh battery, giving users remarkable all-day battery life, even with heavy usage, so you spend less time charging and more time using your device. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 400MP main camera, capable of capturing strikingly detailed and vibrant photos in a wide range of lighting conditions, making every shot look professional. The immersive experience continues with the 144Hz FHD Plus Super AMOLED display, offering incredibly smooth motion, rich colors, and sharp clarity whether you're watching videos, scrolling social media, or playing graphics-intensive games. With its combination of cutting-edge chipset, huge battery, advanced camera system, and high refresh rate display, the Tecno Pova 8 Pro 5G stands out as a compelling choice for users seeking performance, stamina, and visual excellence in a modern smartphone.